Do you constantly feel that your mouth is unbearably dry? Does your dentist frequently tell you that you have new cavities? If you said yes, then this video is for you. I have had multiple patients ask me why they're getting so many cavities, not connecting their chronic dry mouth to their dental problems. When talking about dry mouth, we have to first ask, do you have xerostomia? Xerostomia is the clinical term to describe a dry mouth that has a reduced or absent amount of saliva flow. It is important to differentiate between an occasional dry mouth versus xerostomia. You might feel very thirsty and dry if you're dehydrated, stressed, breathing through your mouth, or even having too much MSG in your food. This occasional dryness is normal and is relatively harmless, if not uncomfortable. Xerostomia, on the other hand, usually results due to medical reasons. For example, more than 300 different medications have a side effect of dry mouth. In a survey done by the AARP, 75% of Americans 50 or older take a prescription medication, with 80% of this group taking more than two. Most of my patients who fit this description have had dry mouths and recurrent cavities. Xerostomia can also be caused directly by the disease themselves. People with autoimmune diseases such as Sjogren's syndrome have their salivary glands affected, leading to dry mouths and eyes. Radiation therapy will also severely affect the salivary glands and create xerostomia. And since xerostomia is a chronic condition that is usually a symptom or a consequence of another issue, it needs to be consistently and diligently maintained. This is crucial, as saliva is the most important biological factor to preventing cavities, and without it, you are at an extreme risk of developing them. The first step to preventing cavities is to establish good habits and take precautionary measures. For example, make sure to avoid sugars, dry and salty foods, sodas, and alcohols. And in addition, you want to avoid snacking often. Every time you eat, your mouth gets more acidic, and that makes you more vulnerable to cavities. And also make sure that you're brushing and flossing at least 3 times a day, preferably after meals. While building habits is important, they are usually not enough to stop cavities in this scenario. What you need is to use the right products to combat cavities. With the Denit-Pal Extreme Risk Kit, you'll be supplied the proper products to prevent cavities. One of the products supplied in our kit is xylitol gum. Xylitol is a sugar that bacteria cannot process, and it prevents them from creating acid. By using our kit and chewing a few xylitol gums daily, you can combat the cavity-causing bacteria directly. An important part of our kit is the prescription-grade toothpastes and gels. These are very powerful dentifrices that cannot be bought over the counter or in stores. Instead, a dental professional is needed to prescribe them. With Denti-Pal, they are prescribed as part of the kit if you are determined to be at high risk. CTX4 5000 gel is a powerful gel that has strong fluoride to strengthen teeth and other ingredients to encourage tooth enamel repair. For our kit, we recommend brushing your teeth with it in the morning and not eating and drinking immediately after for 30 minutes. The other prescription-grade product is Prevident 5000, a toothpaste that is effective in soothing dry mouths and preventing root cavities. I have seen effective usage by my patients to prevent their old crowns from going bad. And in fact, I had 2 patients of similar ages and medical conditions who would consistently get cavities. One decided to use the Prevident and the other didn't. After 6 months, the patient who used Prevident had no new cavities, while the patients who did not had 7. This is a toothpaste that should be used at night, without rinsing to let the fluoride sit on the teeth. Mouthwashes and rinses are also important for managing xerostomia. One prescription-grade rinse that is included in the Denti-Pal kit is PerioGuard, which is effective at keeping gums healthy. This rinse kills bacteria that cause gum disease and lasts in the mouth for 8 hours. Just rinse after brushing your teeth for 30 seconds to keep the gums healthy. Again, this cannot be bought directly in stores and must be prescribed by a dentist or obtained through the Denit-Pal kit. CTX4 rinse is also a powerful rinse that stabilizes the pH of the mouth, kills bacteria, and contains xylitol fluoride. It is very effective at preventing the bacteria from getting out of control. The solution comes with 2 separate bottles. On usage, mix 5 milliliters from bottle A and 5 milliliters of bottle B and rinse in the mouth for 1 minute. An ACT mouth rinse is a soothing mouth rinse that helps with dry mouth discomfort. It can be bought at many stores and is included in the Denti-Pal kit for convenience. Not only does it make a dry mouth feel better, but also contains fluoride and xylitol for extra protection. It is to be used as needed.
While a dry mouth may be uncomfortable and create difficult to manage cavities, there is no need to give up. By using Denti-Pal and establishing good habits, one can lead a road to a cavity-free life. Please visit Denti-Pal.org to learn more about our kits, and those who register before our site is officially developed will have the privilege for special offers. Feel free to contact me or my colleagues at dentist@wecareholistic.com for a free assessment test. Then, you will receive the package every 2 months with complimentary professional consultation. If you're experiencing dryness in other areas of your body or simply looking to further better your health holistically beyond your oral health, please visit wecareholistic.com as shown in the description below. It's WECARE as in we do care, holistic.com. From here, you can heal those underlying conditions through traditional or integrated medicine. For example, combining Herbal Pal with Denti-Pal synergistically creates maximum effect for people with autoimmune root causes. Please hit the subscribe button to our new channel below so I can see you smiling soon. Denti-Pal. Your smile, we care.